Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me. This is the May Birchbox. It is a collab with Female Founder Collective. Birchbox tip 123 for the next 10 minutes. Well, not the next 10 minutes. Maybe after this. Maybe after you watch this video. The 10 minutes after you watch this video. Enjoy some you time. You deserve it. But now it's like my time. Watch my video and then take your 10 minutes to yourself after we talk about these products. So hey, talking about the May Birchbox. Take some time for yourself with the products below. They stopped having themes, so I'm just going to say time for yourself on this one. Dancing with myself. Okay, so, one of my favorite hair care lines. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know why they keep sending me blonde hair products because I said I have I think it's because I said I had strawberry blonde hair in my profile, which would indicate more red than blonde, but still, I love Amika. I'm going to use this regardless. It's Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. It's like a purple shampoo and conditioner. Love it. One of my fave hair care lines. Then we have Kate Sommerville Exfoliate. I said it right. I thought I was going to screw it up. It's an instead I screw this up. It's an intensive exfoliating treatment. I can say exfoliate, but I can't say intensive. Lovely. So it's going to exfoliate dull and dry skin to reveal smoother, radiant skin in less than two minutes. Then we have Marcelle BB cream in Golden Glow. I love BB cream. I like putting BB cream on after my moisturizer, but before my primer. Or I also just love using it as a foundation, like on those days where I want to wear next to nothing. Then we have ModelCo, who was kind enough to leave me a nice little comment on my Instagram after I reviewed one of their other products. It is Instant Brow Pencil. It helps fill in the gaps, which I have blonde eyebrows. Let's see if we can fill in some gaps. Oh, nice. I don't get the people that's like, one, I tried to do my own eyebrows at home. It just failed miserably. I really need to get them like trimmed, waxed, but I don't get the people that like get them overdone. I don't understand it. I don't know how we got there as a society. I mean, if you can explain that to me, I would love to know. I just go with my natural line here, and I have like one or two, but like people that are getting them like into like weird shapes and stuff, or having them tattooed on their face, I'm like, I can't. Then we have Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. So it's a leave-in conditioner slash styler. So you put it on your damp hair and then you blow dry, or you, if you're like me, you let it air dry and you end up with some waves. And that is the May Birchbox. You should follow me. Until then, stay beautiful.